Lesson 100, Stem Changing Verbs. Lisa, we have talked about this already, stem changing verbs, and we actually talked about this in the lesson on Ich gebe. And the thing to watch out for is that the stem will not be the same for every present tense form of this verb. Sometimes it's going to be GEB, sometimes it's going to be GIB.
Exactly. And as we mentioned before also, this pattern of a vowel change occurs in the second person singular and in the third person singular. So for du and for RCS. And something else which might be interesting to know is this is in a way, a closed class of verbs. So there's only a certain amount of verbs that have this change, and you will learn. At some point, you will know them all.
Like the verb for reading, lesen?
Yes, that would be another one, yes. It would go ich lese, and then du liest with an IE, and sie, es liest also with an IE, before going back to just the E. Wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen.
So sometimes it's E and sometimes it's IE in the stem.
Yes, so those are two. And then there's one more where you have a change from an A to the umlaut, ä. So, for example, in the word fahren, which means to drive, it's ich fahre, but du fährst.
Lisa, I remember from my German class the verb for running, that's laufen, right? Ich laufe.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So will that be a stem changing verb as well?
It would be, yes. So the A sound would change to the ä sound. It would become an umlaut in the second and third person singular again. So we have ich laufe, du läufst, läuft.
So there you have a change to the vowel sound in the stem.
Mm-hmm.
And also the verb for one of my favorite things to do, sleeping,
Yes.
is schlafen, right? Schlafen means to sleep.
Right. The same thing happens again. We have ich schlafe, but du schläfst und sie, es schläft. So again, the A becomes an umlaut in the second and third singular form.
Lisa, the pattern I'm seeing here for these stem changing verbs is that the thing that changes is the sound of the vowel.
Yes.
So we've seen E changing to I. So we're not seeing actual consonant changes.
No.
Okay. Speaking of consonants, I'm still amazed at the second person singular. For du gibst, we have a B, an S, and a T all clustered together. Gibst.
Yes, gibst.
Du gibst.
Yes, du gibst.
That's quite a mouthful. I guess as you get more practice, you'll learn to put those together in a smoother way.
Yes, practice makes everything easier.
Okay.
Practice is the key to learning whatever language you want to learn, really.